Dingdongwang Technology Shenzhen Company Limited is a manufacturer of TV boxi and intelligent electronic TV box with a complete and scientific quality management system. Dingdongwang Technology Shenzhen Company Limited is a national high-tech enterprise integrating software and hardware technology research, development, production and sales, focusing on intelligent electronic network set-top box, OTT, as a home multimedia solution and product provider. The company has a group of high-quality professional R&D teams and senior software and hardware engineers. Many products are sold well in Europe, America and Asia. Among them, the main smart network set-top box camera has been unanimously praised by domestic and foreign retailers and consumers. For a long time, Dingdongwang Technology Shenzhen Company Limited has been adhering to the principle of professionalism, integrity, quality, service, enterprise purpose, strength and product quality, which has been recognized by the industry. Welcome friends from all walks of life to visit, guide and negotiate business.